Hey, what's up you guys? It's Anastasia Moon Girl and I'm back with another video today. Today is going to be an unboxing of a Witch's Casket June box. So this is their June subscription box. I think all of the prices greatly vary. I do live in the United States and this is from the UK, so I pay a little bit extra, but this box is one of my favorite, all-time favorite subscription boxes. Totally worth it. So for me, I think I pay like $45 including shipping, but I think in the UK it's like $25. I could be off. We're gonna put the prices on the side. I always love how these are packaged. I'm gonna try to keep everything in frame. We shall see. I did not look at this before because everything's a little bit later with shipping right now due to the pandemic. Some people have been posting their boxes and I really wanted to stay away from knowing what was posted. So I have no idea what's in here and I'm super excited. The first thing that they always put is a little pamphlet showing what's inside, and I'm not going to show right now because I do want to be surprised, but this is all about Sun Magic June 2020. So we'll go over this in a little bit, but for now we're just going to set that to the side. So they always give one of these amazing artist cards and I really like them. I keep them all. You can put them in your grimoire or your book of shadows. I just put them on my wall with a little bit of washi tape and they're always so cute, gorgeous. Oh my god, there's a rune guide. Are there runes in here? Yeah, I love runes so much. I have two runes already, two sets of runes, but I love runes, and runes are something that I've been using more in my practice and like forcing myself to use. So this is a rune guide. It's really amazing if you guys don't know what the runes are. Once again, I might just put this in my book of shadows because I have a new one that I'm making and I don't have a rune guide on there yet to reference. So instead of writing it out, I can just put this. This is amazing. And then on the back, it shows you how to use the runes if you're not used to using them. Okay, so they added in an extra card. I actually wasn't sure what this is when I opened it because usually they just have one artist card, which is over there. Okay, so this is totally unplanned. This is amazing, and I really back Witch's Casket and everyone that works there. Their team's really amazing. So because that things took a little bit longer, like I said, it didn't at all bother me. They threw in an extra witchy item and 20% off, so that's really amazing. And that just makes me like happier to support. So they usually include some sort of ritual kit, and this one is the Happiness Charm Bag kit. So it contains everything you need to surround yourself with the golden light of joy. So I'm not going to open this because I do want to use it during a ritual, but I'm so excited. I always love these. They did like a self-love one and a new moon ritual. That was bomb. So these are always really great. So next is a floral grimoire. Wait. Me trying to read and then realizing what it is. See, this is what I'm saying. I really didn't want to open it because my reaction to these is genuine. I just get so excited. So it's floral grimoire cards. So one, they're already gilded. I can see that they're gilded. It's copper and they're little grimoire cards. You know what's crazy? I was just about to buy something like this off of Etsy from a little independent artist, and I still might because her work was gorgeous, but this goes through tulips, what they stand for, new beginnings, strength, oh my god, chamomile, harmony. This is awesome and these are gorgeous. Okay, next up is one of my favorite items because I really enjoy pins and they always put a pin in. They're great. This one, it says Sun Magic and then like a little sun on the bottom. It's an enamel pin. These are really great. These are really great quality. I have a couple jean jackets that I put a ton of pins on. Okay, up next it looks like a crystal. Let's open this up. It always comes with these really nice little organza bags that I like to reuse in my baths and stuff. So this is a sunstone. I actually don't have much sunstone. They say that sunstone is good to, sunstone alleviates stress and anxiety and allows your true nature to shine. This is a great stone for empowerment, independence, and higher energy. So it's really great that they give you a little card. These are all matte and really nice to the touch, and it's just a little soft tumble. So it looks like these are patchouli incense cones. There's 12 of them. Super amazing. So there's 3 more things. This sounds like the runes. I am so excited. Like, I can't believe that there's runes in here. I'm excited to see what they are. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So I'd have to see what stone these are. Maybe onyx, black obsidian, maybe. Well, I'd have to check. I'll look in the sheet because I'm sure it says. But these are runes, and these are great because I don't have any black runes. I use a lot of black stones in my practice, regardless of if it's tourmaline, black obsidian, or black, yeah, all of them. The runes are written in gold paint. It's beautiful. My camera's doing that thing where it stops every 10 seconds. Okay, so next up, it looks like a cloth. Oh, it's a bag. It says, it's a foraging bag. I go foraging all the time. I go to the beach, on hikes. Anytime that I'm outside, I'm pretty much foraging. So this is awesome and it's gorgeous. This matches my aesthetic. This whole entire box really, really nailed it. This one and the Plant Magic one and the Moon. Honestly, a lot of them do. Their aesthetic's amazing. This is a great bag and it's, it feels like canvas. It's really thick. Okay, so I moved the box just so you guys can kind of see everything. The last up is the grimoire page. I'm always really careful trying to get this open because I do not want to rip it. Okay, so I've actually had to place some things in the corner, the runes, to kind of show you. So this grimoire page is all about solar magic. It shows you about the sun phases, amulets, crystals, plants and flowers, jewelry, meditate and use mirrors in sun magic and solar magic. This is actually really amazing because I don't do a lot of sun workings at all, but the other day I was actually charging my crystals in the sun. I never do that. I'm totally a lunar witch. I mean, all witches are, but not all. I know a lot of witches work with the moon, but I've been feeling very, very sun-oriented, trying to bring that into my life. So this came at a perfect time, and I'm actually really excited to learn and put this in my grimoire because I don't work with the sun enough. So this is the overall view of the Witch's Casket Sun Magic June subscription box. I'm screaming. This is, I mean, they killed it. They always do. I look at everything. I'm yelling. I can't wait to use everything. I can't wait to implement these grimoire cards into my practice, all of everything, the tea, everything. Okay, so the stones are black agate rune stones. I don't have any black agate in my home or in my practice, so this is really amazing. I'm really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what those were because I know I left you hanging on that, but thank you guys so much for staying and watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!